Setting a class _name declaratively. Why can't you override a class name declaratively, for example to use a class name which is not a valid identifier? I thought maybe it was simply a case that this was overwritten after the class definition block completes. But seems that's not true, because the name is writable yet apparently not set in the class dict. Questions. Where does potato._name_ resolve? How is potato._name_ equals other handled inside and outside of a class definition block?
Where does potato._name_ resolve? Most documented gender methods and attributes actually exist in the native code side of the object. In the case of Python, they are set as pointers in a slot in a C struct defined in the object model. Defined here. This URL, but with fields easier to visualize when one actually creates a new class in C, like here, this URL, where the super type is defined. Therefore, _name_ is set there by the code and type._new_, to which it is the first parameter. How is potato._name_ equals other handled, inside and outside of a class definition block? A class's _dict_ parameter is not a plain dictionary, it is in special mapping proxy object, and the reason for that is exactly so that all attribute settings on the class itself don't go through the _dict_, and instead go through the _settag or _method and type. And there, assignments to these slotted under methods are actually filled in the C object C structure, and then reflected on the class._dict_ attribute. So, outside a class block, cls._name_ is set in this way, as it takes place after the class has been created. Inside a class block, all attributes and methods are collected into a plain dict, though that can be customized. This dict is passed to type._new_ and other metaclass methods, but as said above, this method fills in the _name_ slot from the explicit pass name parameter, that is, the name argument passed in the call to type._new_, even though it just updates the class _dict_ proxy with all names in the dict used as namespace. That is why cls._dict_name_ can start with a different content from what is in the cls._name_ slot, but subsequent assignments put both in sync. An interesting anecdote is that 3 days ago I came across some code trying to reuse the _dict_ name explicitly in the class body, which has similarly puzzling side effects. I even wondered whether there should be a bug report on that, and queried the Python developers, and as I had thought of, the authoritative answer was G. Van Rossum. And it applies just the same to trying to define _name_ in the class body. This URL. And if one actually wants to override _name_ as an attribute in the class body, a metaclass for that is as simple as a metaclass can be.
If you want to see more class consider subscribing.